Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2661st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday. That is November 2nd. 2023. We got past Rocktober. We are now into November, and we've got a green Omni once again for trading E-mini S&P on Thursday the 2nd, 2023, the 2nd of November. So, remember how risky it is trading. Please know this. It's a very risky game. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first and put them in before you get into a live position. Now, I wanted to get in front of the camera, but this evening I decided to do a saltwater fish tank change. I wanted to change some of the water in my tank and add in a bunch of new fish, and you can't really enter new animals into a tank without doing a water change. So I'm in the middle of doing that, kids. I'll show you the tank when it's all done. So anyway, just wanted to mention that to you. So I'll give you one of these takes instead. It will be just as good, I promise. So this week, I've been showing you all last week, or the end of last week, and the beginning of this week, and every day this week, I've said, listen, careful now, don't go short anymore. It looks like there's going to be short covering taking place. Many reasons, but the obvious reason is this big channel, this big purple channel, and you seem to hit the bottom of it, almost the top, bottom, just about the top, does hit the top, just about the bottom, then makes it to the bottom, almost to the top, comes down and gets a little through the bottom. So either to the top or almost to the top should come next. So be careful now. That was the obvious reason. Maybe we end up all the way up here. But you see what's happened, right? A lot of pretty strong days. And Omni is bullish for trading again on Thursday. And Omniacs, have we not killed it all week with this Omni? Thank you, Omni, very much. Even on Fed Day, the Omni threw a nice punch for us. We got long. So, E-mini S&P Green Omni, we will be buying dips for trading on Thursday. But there's more out there to look at. And let's see what that more else is. Let me show you another chart. And that would be here. So the transportation average, we looked at this chart every day for the last week or so. And I said along with the S&P finding support, it looks like the transportation average is noticing support as well. Well, look at that fat run that we've had so far. And you see it's strong support, right? Catches it. Just about catches it, does catch it, big rally, catches it again. So it's a strong support line, and look at that fat rally we've had so far. And Omni's bullish for trading again on Thursday, so rock and roll Omni. There's another chart I wanted to show you. Look at this one. Look at your NASI if it ever comes up. There we go. Look at the NASDAQ, and let's drop an average on there. Let's say, what's that NASDAQ look like with the 200 ball moving average on it? And I'll tell you what it looks like. Looks very good. Once again, the day we hit that average, I said now shorting looks very dangerous, right? Shorting now looks dangerous. And we put this chart before our eyes, your eyes, mine as well, and said start being careful. Not only did you hit the 200 ball moving average, which is this one here, but you hit it at the same time that you got down to the support line here. That's big, kids, right? We hit the support and the 200 ball moving average. Omni turns bullish. We've been going up since. Maybe we're going here. Let's see. We'll take it, of course, one day at a time. What else looks appetizing for Thursday? Facebook does. Facebook looks great in my opinion. Look at the way it's held this average. You get a one-day drop through this average and it holds. A one-day drop through, it holds. A one-day drop through, it holds. Here you had a little bit of a pullback. What did it do? It got to a major support spot right there. We'll take that, right? Look, where this support line coming across the bottom coincides with a major channel green line. They come together. You hit it on that daily bar, right back out, and now we are back above the average. Omni likes Facebook. I like Facebook. I think it looks good for trading on Thursday. And what else is out there? We could never finish without this. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Look at it go. Traders, I've been showing this to you since the flag was not even developed. I mean, literally, it was back like this. And I said, this is a 2-day flag, but I think it's going to turn into more. So let's put flag around it and see what develops. And then on each day, I said, we'll gyrate inside this flag. And I kept saying to you, but when it's done, it's going to break out towards the upside, right? So we did this in just about every video. And I'm going to now add in what happened. Just as we expected, the flag filled in, broke out above, rock and roll technical analysis. And Bitcoin, once again, is in play for trading on Thursday. Gotta love that Bitcoin. Now, look, I've got a projection. We started it 5 years ago. We've got 2 years and 10 months to go, but now it's 2 years and 9 months. We just got into November, right? 2 years, 9 months, 85,000 in your Bitcoin. Of course, it's got nothing goes straight up, right? It's got to run up, come down, run up, come down. But that is our target. And we were absolutely right with each one of our targets since Bitcoin has been born. So let's see if we nail this one as well. Sign up for my site. It's absolutely free. You do not even need a credit card. If you join my site, let me show you my trading room. You can just come to my live trading room. Usually cameras are on at all times, but I've got them off right now so I can use the camera for you guys. Go to livewithoscar.com. It's really easy. You will sign up. You'll get an email. It will likely go to your spam. Grab it out of spam. Click back. You're going to choose a username, a password, and join me in my live trading room at Live with Oscar. I can speak to you here as well as be on camera and microphone and speak to you directly. So please join me. Watch out for these markets. Put your stops in first. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to these videos, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.